Got a minute? Let's make this. Salmon Wellington sounds so fancy, but these are simple and beautiful. Here's your ingredients for salmon wellies. Fresh salmon in about 4-inch squares, puff pastry that you've thawed in the fridge overnight, baby spinach, and butter, shallots, garlic, and mushrooms that make a classic Duxelles. In a skillet, melt the butter, then add shallots, garlic, and mushrooms finely chopped like this. Cook to release the liquid from the mushrooms, then add salt, pepper, and parsley. Let it cool while you make the pockets. Cut your pastry sheets into 5-inch squares, then roll out to make even thinner. Brush olive oil on the salmon and then give it a quick sear on the grill just to add flavor. Set the salmon on the puff pastry, top with your Duxelles, and then cover with a layer of spinach. A beaten egg will seal the edges. Then fold, turn, and place on a baking sheet. Want to get fancy? Make leaves with the leftover dough. 20 minutes in a 400-degree oven and done. Love dill sauce? It's just lemon juice, mustard, fresh dill, and sour cream. Now, did you go to gourmet cooking school for this? It sure looks like it. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.